Welcome students. In this video we'll be talking about how to find the 2007th digit in the decimal expansion of 1/7. Please subscribe. So the 2000th digit in the expansion of 1/7. So the fraction of 1/7 has a unique repeating decimal pattern. So how to determine, first we need to determine the decimal sequence in order to find the 2007 digit. So we know that 1/7 is equal to 0.142857, and that decimal expansion repeats over. That means that it will repeat 14287 again, infinitely. So this sequence has 6 digits, as you can tell. 6 digits. So now we need to determine the position within the cycle, in the cycle of 2007. This can be done using the modulo operation. As you can see, position equal to 2007 modulo 6. The way you perform the calculation modulo 6 is by doing a division. You divide 2007 divided by 6, and you get 334, and you get a remainder 3. So the remainder is what we need. Remainder. So remainder equal to 3, which means that the 2007 digit corresponds to the third digit in the repeating sequence. Now we need to identify the digit, which is the third digit in the sequence. So the third digit is 2. So 2 corresponds to 2007 digit in the decimal expansion of 1/7, which solves our exercise. So this kind of problem involves when we have a repeating pattern for a decimal expansion. It involves using modulo. That means that we divide the number, we divide the cycle by the repeating pattern length, and then the remainder will give us the position in the pattern, and that will give us a digit that corresponds to the number, to the corresponding digit we're looking for. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.